Hello everyone. In this video I am going to show you how to install FFmpeg for Audacity in Windows 10, and let's get started. First, open Audacity. Click on Edit tab. Then click on Preferences. In the Preferences window, on the left side click on Libraries. And on the right side, click on FFmpeg Libraries, Download. This will automatically open your browser. On the browser page, click on FFmpeg Installation section for Windows. Click on Installing FFmpeg for Windows. Click on FFmpeg Download page. Click on FFmpeg Win 2.2.2.exe. This will automatically download the setup file. Once you have downloaded the setup file, open the file. Select your language and click on OK. Then click on Next. Click on Next. And again, click on Next. In my case, I have already installed it, so you should not get this message on your computer. Then click on Install. Then click on Automatically Close the Applications, and click on Next. Once you have installed it, click on Finish. And again, open Audacity. Click on Edit. Click Preferences. In this window, click on Locate FFmpeg Library. Then a window will pop up saying Success. This means that Audacity has successfully located the FFmpeg file. Then go ahead and click on No, because Audacity has already found it for you. And then click on OK. That's it, you have successfully installed FFmpeg plugin for Audacity. And now you can import any type of audio file directly into Audacity. I hope this video helped you. Give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching.